Open Play Store app. Download Ozone app. Sign up to your account. Follow the registration process. Enter OTP received on your email address. Set your password. Click on Add button. Click on Video Surveillance. Click on Smart Camera. Click the QR code. Select the indicator prompted on screen. Click on Next. Enter Wi-Fi details. Click on Next. Please scan the QR code from 15 to 20 centimeters away from the camera screen. Device added successfully. How to active night mode. Click on Night mode. How to enable motion tracking. Click on Motion tracking. How to enable motion detection. Click on Motion detection. A text notification will be sent on your mobile app when camera detects any motion. How to enable patrol. Click on Patrol. How to adjust the camera angle manually. Click on Directions. Tap on top to move the camera location upwards. Tap on bottom to move the camera location downwards. Tap on left to move the camera location towards left. Tap on right to move the camera location towards right. How to watch recorded videos in your app. Click on Playback. Select the video from the videos saved in gallery that you wish to see.